What's up, it's Alexi from Adventuregrapher here, and today I'm going to show you, in my opinion, the ultimate way to carry your camera gear. The solution is called the Capture by Peak Design, which basically allows you to do this. Attach your camera to your backpack or your belt or almost any kind of strap. There is also something called the lens kit, which is essentially the same thing for your lenses. The last piece of the system is the Pro Pad, which is basically a pad that makes carrying bigger setups a little bit more comfortable. So, why do I think this system is so great? Well, first of all, it makes access to your gear super fast. I think that, for example, hikers will appreciate this a lot because with Capture, they don't need to stop, take off their backpack, open it up, dig for their camera, take it out, take the picture, put it back, close the bag, and put it on their back again, just for one picture. Let's see exactly how much faster it is with the Capture. What's more, Capture also makes switching lenses way more convenient than with any other method. All you need to do is you unmount your lens, clip it on the lens kit, you flip it over, you unmount the second lens and put it on your camera. And that's it. Again, let me demonstrate how much faster working with Capture is compared to the normal way. I also think that especially the lens kit is of great value to low-light event photographers and videographers, because for events you usually want the versatility and fast operation of the zoom lenses, but you need the low-light capabilities of the primes. And Capture with the lens kit gives you the opportunity to use primes with their fast apertures without missing those moments you would normally miss while you are switching lenses. Actually, Capture and the lens kit is one of the main reasons why I'm not considering giving up my primes for zooms in almost any kind of working environment. The third great benefit of this system is that it's a great alternative to camera straps, because with a traditional strap, you're going to have your camera loose, kind of hanging there while you're moving, which makes it really easy to hit your precious gear to rocks or a wall. Whereas with the Capture, your camera is staying still. Even while you're moving, jumping, running, it will stay there and be safe. Again, every time you are bending down to tie your shoes, your camera is really exposed to hitting something on the ground. With the Capture, it's out of the way, not moving, completely safe. I would also like to add that this system definitely works best with smaller mirrorless cameras compared to big DSLRs. I'm using it with the full-frame Sony Alpha system, but it should work just as well with any other similar sized camera. The same, of course, goes for the lens kit. It definitely works better with smaller primes. Of course, you can still use it with some bigger glass as well, but it's just not going to be as comfortable as with the smaller lenses. As you can see, it definitely can handle the weight of some bigger setups as well, but even with the Pro Pad, I'm not feeling that comfortable, and especially if I start to move, you can see there will be some problems with setups like these. Peak Design has actually already released, I think, 3 versions of this system. So for those of you who may have the previous version or are considering between the second generation and the most recent one, let me real fast show you the main differences. This one here is the old model, and this one here on my backpack is the most recent one. As you can see, there's quite a big size difference. The new one is way smaller, and it also looks a little bit better. I think Peak Design has made the biggest improvements with the Pro Pad. Here's the older model. As you can see, it's kind of not that good looking. It's also pretty big, considering it doesn't really give as much support as I would like to have. On the other hand, the new one is way better looking. It's much sleeker, it's thinner, it's smaller, the color is better, and I also think it gives you better support than the old one. It's also a little bit more easy to install on your belt. The only real drawback of the new model I have found is that the clip stays horizontal instead of vertical, and this basically makes the one-handed operation a little bit clumsier than with the old model. Okay, I think that's mostly it. So if you still have any questions, please leave me a comment below and I will try my best to answer you. As always, if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and also consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.